In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about sample space using tree diagrams in order to find probability. So our question states, the animal shelter has both male and female Labrador retrievers in 3 colors, yellow, brown, and black. There is an equal number of each kind. What is the probability, in fraction form, of choosing a male brown Labrador retriever? So we're going to try to find your sample space by using a tree diagram. So the way we're going to do that is by setting up our columns. We're going to have a gender column, a color, and then finally the last column will be sample space. So for gender, we're either going to have male or female. And with each gender dog, we have 3 colors to choose from: yellow, brown, black. If you follow these lines, you'll eventually lead to your sample space. So, first option, if we choose the female Labrador Retriever in yellow, that means we've chosen female yellow. But we could also select a different color, maybe brown. Or maybe we'd like to choose black. So there are our 3 choices so far. But what if we decide to choose the male Labrador Retriever? Well, we could choose the male dog with the yellow coat, or perhaps the brown, or perhaps the black. So now we have all 6 options of choosing this dog. And we want to know what is the probability that we're going to choose the male brown Labrador Retriever. So let's find the male brown Labrador Retriever in our options. It's right here. So our probability of choosing the male brown Labrador Retriever is 1 out of 6.